let us find what forces are acting on the cyclist and why he is able to loop the circle without falling at the top, despite the fact that all the forces seem to be acting on him vertically down. So, the forces on the cyclist when he is at the top of the loop would be one, the gravitational force acting in downward direction. Normal force from the loop is also in the downward direction. After all, the loop can only push down and not pull up. Thus, Newton's second law for this situation can be given as minus mg minus n is equal to m into minus a. And we've taken a as negative because it is directed downwards. And the same thing is true for mg and n. Both are directed downwards and therefore taken as negative. So let us rewrite this equation with a is equal to v square upon r. And what we get is minus mg minus n is equal to m into minus v square upon r. Now, the thing that will explain why the cyclist does not fall is understanding of the fact that when the cyclist is almost about to fall, he would have lost contact with the loop. That is, the cycle would have stopped touching the loop. So, as long as n is greater than or equal to 0, we can say that the loop is pushing against the cycle and the cycle is therefore not falling. So if we put n is equal to 0 in this equation, we get minus mg minus 0 is equal to m into minus v square upon r, or v is equal to root of gr. That is, as long as the velocity is greater than or equal to root of gr, the cyclist will not fall. So let us say the loop in which the cyclist is moving is 3 meters in radius. Then v is equal to root of 9.8 into 3, which equals 5.42 meters per second. That means if the cyclist is able to maintain a velocity greater than or equal to 5.42 meters per second at the top, he will not fall. And the moment the velocity becomes less than 5.42 meters per second, he will fall. And the most interesting thing about this derivation is that it is independent of mass. That is, the cyclist can be 50 kilograms in mass or 100 kilograms. He would need the same velocity to loop the loop successfully.